Long time ago, in a sprawling desert under a blazing sun, a nomadic tribe tends to their sheep and goats. At a distance, pigs root in the dirt. The tribal leader, with a wise gaze, cautions the tribe to avoid the pigs, calling them unclean. In the quiet solitude of a Meccan cave, Prophet Muhammad kneels in prayer. A divine presence fills the space, as glowing Arabic words appear on the cave walls, revealing the prohibition of pork. In the fields of Galilee, Jesus stands in front of a crowd, his voice calm yet powerful. A Pharisee challenges him about dietary laws, and Jesus replies, "What defiles a man is not what enters his mouth, but what comes from his heart." On a quiet rooftop at dawn, Peter kneels in prayer. Suddenly, a sheet descends from the heavens, filled with all kinds of animals. A commanding voice echoes, "Kill and eat." In a bustling cafe, a Jewish man, Muslim woman, and Christian man sit together. Over coffee and culturally dishes, they discuss their faiths, their laughter, and respect bridging differences.
The moral of the story: shared humanity transcends differences in beliefs, traditions, and practices. Despite cultural and religious distinctions, people can find common ground in mutual respect, understanding, and dialogue. This story emphasizes that diversity should be celebrated, and by fostering conversations about our unique values and shared experiences, we can build bridges that unite us in a spirit of peace and cooperation.